In this video tutorial, we will cover what exactly constraint management is in relation to a project, what components are involved, and review an example of how to fill out the constraint management board. Constraint management is one of the more critical components of our Last Planner dashboard system. This tool is designed to engage our trade partners by bringing issues and roadblocks to the center stage. If issues are not tracked in one common and visual place, they often are forgotten until the last minute. This management process enables us to collectively assist in maintaining, executing, and resolving issues and roadblocks that are presented throughout the project life cycle. All constraints or necessary conditions are required to be identified, communicated, analyzed, and resolved by the entire team to achieve the desired outcome of removing an issue before it impacts work. Now that we have outlined an understanding of what constraint management is, we can begin to dive into the components of the board. Let's start with the what. The what is the actual constraint or issue that needs to be resolved. For example, the Talley Riggins headquarters project has run into an issue with a duct chase discrepancy on the drawings. Because the team is looking ahead, the issue was discovered before it impacted work. This has prompted the project management team to draft an RFI, requesting resolution from the design team before it disrupts the workflow. Let's write in the what column, duct chase RFI. Next on the board is the where. The where is the location or area of the project that the constraint is taking place. This could be any area on the drawings, specs, or actual location in the field. In our example, the discrepancy on the project that is affecting duct chase framing is in Area B of the project. Let's fill out the where column with Area B so that our team knows where the duct chase issue is taking place. The first column on the board is the who. The who is the individual or collection of team members that are involved with the resolution of the constraint. This could be one of the trade partners, or it could be the responsibility of the general contractor, architect, engineer, or city jurisdiction. Back to our example project, the duct chase discrepancy is being caused by an error on the drawings. As a result, the project management team will need to submit an RFI to the architect and engineer to get clarification on the issue with the duct chase. The RFI will need to be written and responded to by the design team in order to close out this constraint. The last column on our board is the when. The when is the date or time in which the constraint needs to be resolved before it will begin affecting the work that has been committed to the project dashboard. The when tracks the constraint's progress. The right side of the column will be the date the issue was initially addressed. Let's write 6/24 in this section. The left side is when the constraint needs to be resolved so that the workflow is not disrupted. This will help ensure that the team has an acceptable resolution before the wall framing is scheduled to start in Area B. We have now outlined what constraint management is and how to apply it on the constraint management board. Let's review a couple of key best practices to keep in mind when using the constraint management board on your job site. Always review the constraint log board at every morning huddle. Consistency is key to make sure no issues are lost or forgotten without resolution. Be sure to change the assigned responsibilities under the who column throughout the duration of the constraint lifecycle. If a new person is given the responsibility of solving the constraint, be sure to update the who column so it is accurate.